Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process on how to submit a visa application for an international student. Before we start, I just want to let you know that all the information, all documents submitted, and process shared in this video are based on our experience. Some might be applicable to you, some may not, but you can use this as a guide in your application. I would suggest you check online, you check Google, you read and research, and you can check Canada website as well so that you will know kung ano man yung updates regarding the visa application. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo sa screen kung ano yung process ng pag-submit ng mga documents on the visa application. And then, merong mga questions na kailangan sagutan. Some maybe yes para sa amin. Merong mga questions na maybe no din sa inyo. So, you need to answer it correctly. Kasi, nagba-background check yung mga visa officer regarding the documents and your answers to the questions. It might be a ground for refusal if mali yung sagot nyo sa mga tanong. So, you need to be very careful and you need to check one by one na tama talaga yung sagot nyo para wala nang makitang mali yung visa officer. So, first, we need to sign in with GC Key account. So, we click and then we click our username and then password. Then we click continue. You will see our page like this. You will see your account like this. So you go start an application. So apply to come to Canada. Since we don't have a personal reference code, we go down, then click visitor visa, study and or work permit. Then we need to answer all the questions. So we go for study, how long are you planning to stay in Canada? Then we click more than 6 months. Then our code in the passport since we are from Philippines. Then what is your current country? Since nasa Singapore kami that time, so key in Singapore. So here, no. Then our birthday. So, are you a lawful permanent resident of the United States? No. Next, have you been accepted to Elle&Lhyz? So, our answer is yes. And if you have questions, you can click this question mark here. Then they will explain to you what does it mean. So, you must have been accepted by a Canadian school, college, university, or other educational institution to be eligible to study in Canada. So yes, then next. What is your marital status? So from the drop-down menu, you can choose from, then choose common law. Then what is your province of destination? So British Columbia. Next. So there you go. Your result. Based on the information you provided, the result below indicate whether you may be eligible to come to Canada. So study permit, you may be eligible to come to Canada as a student. So we click continue. Create your personal checklist. So continue. And do you have a valid work permit? We answer no. Then next. So we answer here. No. Is work an essential component of your studies? So if you have questions or you are not sure, you click here. Then for some academic programs, work experience is part of the curriculum. So yes, Elle&Lhyz program have a work is an essential component of her studies. So click yes. Are you a spouse? Here, no. Then we answer here, no. Then click next. Are you accompanying a family member that has the status in Canada? So no. Next. Have you ever been committed? Been arrested? So no. Then here, medical exam? No. Next. Have you visited or lived in any of the one of the designated countries for 6 consecutive months in the last year? So if you have question, you click here, then you check the list. So you will see all the list since Singapore, so it's included. So our answer there, since we stayed in Singapore for the last 6 months, so my answer is yes. Okay, based on your answer, you need to get a medical exam performed by an authorized doctor. You may continue with your application. We will contact you if you need a medical exam. So click next. Do you want to submit an application for a family member? Since during the application, hindi pa ako kasama, so Elle's answer is no. Then, are you giving someone access? No. But if you have any representative, you can click yes, or it's up to you. Click next. In the past 10 years, have you given your fingerprints? No. So, for payment, okay, yes, I will be paying my application fees. Or if you're exempted, you can click no. Then here, are you able to make a digital copy? Yes. Then will you be paying your application fees online using this credit card or debit card? So yes. By the way, for us, gamit namin debit card kasi wala kaming credit card that time. So here you can review your answers, and if you answer it wrongly, you can click here in this parang pencil, then you can edit or you can amend your answers. So if everything is correct, click continue. And after that one, submitting your application. So you can read through step 1, step 2, step 3, then step 4. Okay, so click continue. Okay, there you go. Andito na yung document checklist nyo. So, application forms. This is the study permit made outside of Canada. And then supporting documents. We have evidence of work permit or work requirement study. Nasa LOA. Ang sinabmit namin dito is yung letter of acceptance ni Elle na naka-state doon na part ng kanyang curriculum is yung work requirement ng kanyang curriculum. Then letter of acceptance, passport, proof of means or the proof of funds, digital photo, request for medical exam, family information, schedule, application for a temporary resident, and then client information. So, ito na yung document checklist. So, sa mga hindi pa alam kung ano yung mga requirements, I have uploaded a video regarding sa mga requirements na niready namin for this application. So, for client information, dun sa video na in-upload ko regarding the requirements, kung ano yung hindi nasama sa supporting documents, yun yung kinompile ko together lahat, and then in-upload ko, inalagay ko lahat sa isang PDF file, and then in-upload ko sa client information. So for student visa, ito na yung payment, study permit, biometrics, and then once na-upload mo na lahat ng documents, meron yung button here next. So you just click and then ipaprompt ka niya dun sa payment section. Once payment is done, kita mo na dito sa account page mo na yung dito sa may application type. View the applications you submitted. So, instead na dito mo siya makikita sa online application, dito na portion, dito mo na siya makikita, view the applications you submitted. So, yung application type, application number, and you will see your current status. And then, the message. So, that's it. Yun lang. After mong masubmit yung document, you will receive an email. Kung may mga updates regarding your application, you will receive an email. And for example, they will request for your biometrics, you will receive an email for your medical. And then, after nun, sundin nyo lang din ulit yung process. And then, once na-submit nyo na lahat, then, just antay-antay na lang. Yun yung tinatawag, tawag nila doon is waiting game. So, once na-approve, once naka-biometrics ka na, naka-apply ka na for medical, antay ka na lang whether approved or rejected. But hopefully, ma-approve yung application nyo. So, until next video, bye guys!